Asuntoskeittiö Jarlinkulma.
It's also amazing today on the 30th of March 2025 we had Kasarmikatu 13th Hämeenlinna Hämeenlinna vastuhus Kantahäme jääntikata vastaan.
Yeah. The basement is open, so probably they are connected.
Alright, we're gonna check that too. It was 1966. ValmetSchlieren. December speeds 1064. West is 3 personal programs. The one of the machine finished in 1966.
Yeah, they are connected.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
We can again. Now 2 rides here also. I like the smell. It sounds good.
Same here. Tittaakin vaiskaan, että meitä nyt vaikka on.
That's a bit loud.
Yeah.
That's it then. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go. Look at this new speed.
That's